Hi, everybody. How are you doing? Good. This is fun. Thank you for being here. Like Haley mentioned, I'm Lena Schiffer, and this is my good friend and bandmate, Ani Casabonne. And we're going to start off with an a cappella love tune about those first moments of love and wondering what it can be.
What if I could be your ocean, walk my beaches at low tide, wrap you up tight in my blanket, float you underneath a starry sky. Ooh, what if I could be your body, humming you to sleep at night, wake you gently in the morning, thunder to your subtle side. Ooh, in the middle we will lie, as the howling winds go by. I will be a fence line, I will be your road, I will be a skyline, wherever you may go. What if I could be your shadow, following you in the light, through the uphills and the battles? I would never leave you far behind. Oh, in the distance we may find all our differences, you and I. But I will be your center, I will be your ground, I will be your witness to all that we have found. I will be your center, I will be your ground, I will be forever, as long as you're around. I will be forever, as long as you're around. I will be forever, as long as we're around.
Thank you. Well, we're excited to be here for the first ever fitting room session. The guinea pigs. We're going to do a song that I wrote a few years back called Give It Up, and it's about just kind of not knowing how to let things go and wondering why they just stick around so long.
Did I love you? Did I really give my heart up just to rip it from the bottom to the limit? Did I want you? Did I make it up? Ooh, it was the first time that you took my hand and told me that you'd be mine. I believed you in that moment. I believed you until it all blew
saying I should struggle, live outside this tiny bubble. I don't think you wanted me to climb above and leave you in the dust. I can't give it up. I can't give it up. I can't give it up. I drove down that highway that we once shared together. I hope I can leave it behind with all the others, 'cause I can't give it up. 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 Did I love you? Did I really give my heart up just to rip it from the bottom to the limit? Did I want you or did I make it up? Thank you. I am learning the mistakes that I was trying to avoid. Found out I am good at falling back into the void. Counting all the steps it took to end up at the start. Spinning in a circle didn't get me very far. Keep on getting trapped in a web of spun out lies. I am prone to being someone else's main disguise. Counting all the years that I have held on to my breath. Tempted by a safety that could lead me to my death. This is gonna take a little while. I'm standing at the brink, closer than it seems. Nothing ever wins but time. Nothing ever wins but time. Once again I wound up being wrapped around a spool. Maybe I'm the only one who treats me like a fool. Until I count the ways that I have landed back on track. Wondering if this is gonna be my final act. Well, this is gonna take a little while. Standing at the brink, closer than it seems. Nothing ever wins but time. Nothing ever wins but time.
gonna take, this is gonna take, this is gonna take a little while. Standing at the brink, closer than it seems, nothing ever wins but time. Yeah, this is gonna take, this is gonna take, this is gonna take a little while. I'm playing on repeat, but I'm working at the Kings. Nothing ever wins but time. Nothing ever wins, nothing ever wins, nothing ever wins but time. Nothing ever wins, oh nothing ever wins, nothing ever wins but time. Nothing ever wins but time. Nothing ever wins, nothing ever wins, nothing ever wins but time. Nothing ever wins, oh nothing ever wins, nothing ever wins but time. Nothing ever wins but time.
Thank you. Once again, this is Ani Casabonne on fiddle. I'm going to do another new song of mine that's called Barely Woven, and it's a little bit of a nod to those pandemic days and kind of realizing your own sensitivity when you don't get a lot of human interaction after a while. So that's coming from an extrovert who likes a lot of social energy. So it's just about those tender moments we all felt when we had to be alone a lot.
Held my breath as I walked out the door. Words that I left were carefully stowed, covered by night where I hung my clothes. Quiet, eternal, cover me up in a blanket of smoke. Stamp on my breast a cold monotone, leaving me wet in a dampened robe. Lie down easy. The heaviest saved for the darkest of days. Stand in the shade to hide from the grave. Stare at my toes so nobody knows I'm barely woven. The robin will sing a bare melody as winter leaves and bows to spring, threading her nest in a perfect ring. Safely alone, the heaviest save, the darkest of days. Stand in the shade to hide from the grave. Stare at my toes so nobody knows I'm barely woven.
Thank you.